Hi, in this presentation I want to show you how you can select colors in Color Pro using the magnifier tool. You can select colors in the default palette of Color Pro here in the Edit Palette tab, or by creating a new palette. I'm going to create a new palette. Specify the color chips in the palette. Let's set it to 30. Specify the color chips per row, set it to 1, so we can have this vertical layout in Color Pro. So I have here 30 color chips. As you can see, I don't have any palettes here, and that's because I'm editing it here. When I'll press the save palette here, I will have the palette saved and shown here. So I'm going to start the magnifier, have this pick checkbox checked, and this allows me to use the left and right mouse buttons to select colors from anywhere on the screen. Yeah, one more thing, important thing actually, is that this selection frenzy checkbox must be checked so that I don't have to worry about the selection. Okay, so now I can start selecting colors using the left and right mouse buttons. You would usually want to select colors using the right mouse button, because when you press a button you won't trigger that button's action, like I'm doing now. And also for tabs, you don't trigger the tab. Okay, let's go here. Select something from here. You can even change the zoom factor if you want. Okay. Let's go back to Color Pro. Yeah, and here you can actually see the selection we've made using the magnifier. Once I'm done selecting the colors, I can press the Save Palette here, and if I go here, I see the palette. If I delete the palette from here, it will only be deleted from this section. It will still be this section here. So if I double click it, it will become the active palette, and I can play with it further. I can even change the color chips per row, so I can have this horizontal layout. Change it form, its shape actually. When you change the shape here, it will automatically change throughout the application. So if you have other tabs opened, it will also change the shape in those tabs as well. You can also change the size of the chips. You can drag the chips. To having any shape you want. There is also a bring to front and send to back section here. You can also change the layout, but you would like to work with this layout. Okay, and that's about it.